Here's my address and everything. I love how they're like video record this for proof. I don't know why they sent this one by itself. I think it's because I ordered it separately. That's why they sent it separately. Got all of them nice. Why are they different colors? I think I'm gonna cut myself. The box is freaking wet. Why would they put it on top? Like, oh my god. Oh my god, look at you. His hair is so kawaii-esque. Let's look at these Photocard since we're here already. Wow. The whole freaking home line. Bruh. Let's see. P1. Ooh. This is for the season's greetings. I got Huyoung. This Jiyoung one is a good pool. This Huyoung is up fine. Y'all already know who I want. But you know, who doesn't know? Oh, I think I also got the kihno. SF9's kihno. Let me just take it all out. I think I'm gonna have to do a separate video for each. Or I should just do one whole video. I don't know. This little kihno thing, bruh. It's so cold here. This thing feels like it's wet. I mean, it did kind of rain. Just... Does it come with the photo card? Dang it. I got the Zuho. Not this Zuho one, please. Bruh. Oh gosh. Let me just look through these real quick. Oh my gosh. The quality on this is so good. Bruh. 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 Oh my gosh. Ooh. Why do I act surprised? It's pretty. Bruh. Get it, please. I never use these things. Just here for the photo cards. I'm pretty sure that's what everyone is here for. Alright, to the next. Oh, fucking 3 albums, bruh. Bruh, she's like so cold. Anyways, we're just gonna look for the photo cards. Not gonna lie, I spent like 1/4 of my paycheck on this. I almost done cried. Oh my god, y'all not gonna believe, but I actually got tickets to their concert in Korea. I'm a big fan though. I'll tell y'all later. Yes, yes. This fucking bullshit thing, I I fucking did it, but then they were like NFT and whatevers, and I got like whatevers. I don't even know what the fuck went down. Like, I have no idea. And this is Zuho's. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Bruh, that's so pretty. I'm so sorry, Zuho. Bruh, that's so pretty. Anything else? Bruh. Their visuals. Pretty sure this is gonna get water damaged because, yeah. Oh my god. Fucking Insong, that's fucking beautiful. Holy shit. Bruh, a fucking another town one. Bruh. Hello, Dawn. Johnny. Bruh. Bites. The blood version. Hey, let's see. Another soul one. Oh my gosh, it's so one. Of course, I would love for all of this to be Chani, but like I clearly knew this was not gonna happen. Anyways, to the next things. The Photocard fortune trading card for both P1 and SF9. Oh, why is that so cute? Are these fucking random? Bruh, they thick as fuck. Girl, they random? Oh my gosh. I'm supposed to buy a whole bunch of these? Girl, bye. Dude, these boxes are actually really freaking big. It's so pretty! It's almost the Phantom color, but like more purpley. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Like cute things, like I can't. Oh. Look, it's pretty. Oh my gosh, admit one. Yellow 99, Rainbow 16. Creole SF9. The fuck is this? Ah, cute. Look at this pink, green, and blue. Kawaii desk. Alright, going back in the bag to never see light again. Yeah. SF9 thingy. Damn, look at this stack of fucking photo cards. You're supposed to put this up, like, girl. You swear? I'm totally gonna do it. Bruh, this is so cute. Bruh. I guess I better show y'all. Bali. Cute. Johnny in pink. His mom would be so proud. So colorful. Lights, and then we got some stickers. I guess the DVD. Girl, you know what this reminds me of? It's an actual binder. Girl! Yes! actual paper. Oh my gosh. The sole reason I bought this. I'm not gonna even lie. I think if P1H looks exactly like this, I'm gonna use P1H. I never end up using any of these stuff. Also because I feel like it's too precious. But that's because SF9. Ooh, some graph paper. How cute. How cute. This looks like the... Yeah. Can you see my finger? Because it's so freaking cold and wet. Anyway. Yo, man. Inside. I love this. This is so cute. Yeah. Oh my god. They're no longer in order of their age or their lineup. How cute. Look at the two oldest of the magnet. Yeah. This group, the chaotic group. These, yes, visuals. Whites. Look at this. Whoa, huge. He changed his signature? When? Why am I such a bad fan? Seriously, when did Johnny change his signature? Bruh, I have not been keeping up. I know. What the fuck is this? His signature looks different. What like this? Upside. No, but seriously. Is this a signature? Am I fucking tripping? What is this? Oh my gosh, a poster! Wow, we love painters. This is the bag. Can we both look at it? I'll just flip the camera, the video. How cute. I need to go fast because I still need P1 harmonies. His mom would be so proud of me. Did I skip a page? No. Okay, I fell in love with Jaehoon when he was wearing green when they debuted. And green is just his fucking color, man. He's so cute. Why? But yes. How pretty. Gucci. My family, so cute. toes for a second. I was like, who is that? That did not like look like Suhun. Wait, we going in order now? That's cute. A poster of this, just this would be so cute. Nice, nice.